Exploring the universe, understanding Orbital Outpost. Hello, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we're going to explore an exciting phrase, orbital outpost. This term might sound like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but it has real-world applications and meanings. Let's dive in and discover what this fascinating phrase is all about. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, orbital and outpost. Orbital. This word is related to an orbit, which is the path one object in space takes around another. Think of how the Earth orbits the Sun. Outpost. An outpost is a remote or distant location used for strategic purposes, often associated with exploration or military use. So, when we combine these two terms, orbital outpost refers to a remote station or facility that is located in space, particularly in orbit around a planet or star. To better understand the concept, let's look at some real-world examples. The International Space Station, ISS. This is a perfect example of an orbital outpost. It's a space station, or a habitable artificial satellite, that orbits Earth. Future Mars missions. When we talk about sending humans to Mars, any base established there could be considered an orbital outpost. These examples show how orbital outpost can be used in both current and future contexts in the field of space exploration. Now, let's discuss how to use this phrase in a sentence. Scientific context. NASA is planning to build a new orbital outpost on the Moon as a part of their Artemis program. Casual conversation. Did you see the documentary about life on the International Space Station? It's amazing how astronauts live and work in that orbital outpost. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, from formal to informal. And there you have it. We've explored the meaning, examples, and usage of the phrase, orbital outpost. I hope this lesson helps you better understand and use this term in your English conversations, especially when talking about space and science. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.